Alright, hey folks, this is Hans the Ramen Raider coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. And today I got something fancy from Taiwan that is frozen. Yeah, they went and they shipped these over on ice. In fact, these were in the last box from PLN rather, Food Company Limited. This is their crisp shallot noodle. And hello. How you doing, Mimi? You happy? Good. This is their crisp shallot noodle. Yeah, they shipped it with 30 pounds of dry ice. And when it got here, there was maybe, 30 kilograms, excuse me, of dry ice. And I think there was maybe like a half to a quarter kilo left of it. It was pretty ridiculous. It disappeared. But I've got something right here. So we got the noodle block. Their noodles are exceptional. I am like pleased to no end with these guys' noodles. They're so freaking good. Now, are they instant? Obviously not. But they're pre-cooked, so I mean, they're going to be done in about 30 to 40 seconds. So, super fast, I am going to read you a quote out of Mogul Fukuendo Speaks. Number 69. They say that we can share mutual interests. We may share common advantages, but we will never concur on the sharing of disadvantages. I'll make you a paper airplane, I don't mind. You have to wait though. Papa is cooking. That's right. There we go. There we are. So, it's hot in here, folks. That sun is hitting the wall and it's just super hot, but soon it won't be. At least that's the hopeful plan. Yeah, Mimi, that's cool. Go play. I'll be done in a second and we can hang out, okay? Yeah. She's like, ah. Cool, cool. She gets all these props in school. It's funny though because like she wants to answer every single question. So like it's a Zoom meeting. What do you do? I mean, what they usually do is like if somebody's gonna speak, they unmute, and if they're gonna talk, they unmute. If they're not, if it's time for them to shush, then they mute everybody, right? Well, she's a talker, you know. My girl likes to talk, and she talks a lot, and she sometimes talks over other people. So it's tough, you know. She just wants to have a good time, and she's really smart. So, anyways, that being said, let's get this show on the road. Here's one. There's one. I don't know what it is. Ooh, there's one that I know it's going to be like boiling hot. One thing about sachets and things like that, what you have to understand is like the edges will never stay hot for more than a couple seconds. That's because the edges, on this one, this was just in boiling water. This part right here, yeah, that's warm enough. What is that? I am unsure. There must be a little bit of flavor. Oh, it's melting. Yeah, it's fat because this is oil. So it's, yeah. Sometimes you'll see like a sachet and it'll be all white. That's just because it's cold oil. It just congeals. But yeah, the center part, that's warm. But here, no, there's not enough to keep it warm. This center part is pretty thick and warm. This part isn't. So don't be afraid. Don't be afraid to get sachets unless it's something big. If you've got a retort pouch that you boiled for like 20 minutes, yeah, forget it. That'll burn you. Alright, so here are our Wonder Noodles. I really, really, really like these noodles. And then we've got this one. This is the sauce sachet. Yeah, these come from Taiwan. This is something you would find in the frozen food section. What's amazing, I mean, all the work they must have to go through to send it over. Wow. I'm guessing they really researched on how to ship a frozen item internationally and not just like from Canada to the US or Mexico to the US. I'm talking like transoceanic, you know. Okay, so this is done. I know it's Mexican music. South of the border. It's okay. It's a fiesta. I actually got some instant noodles that were Mexico flavored. I believe that's what that said they were, but nice. It's a very meaty noodle, I gotta say. It's got a nice chew. Almost, it's just like it lets loose. Very chewy, excellent mouthfeel. I'm getting salty, aromatic soy, onion, shallot. I'm getting a lot out of that bite. And what's cool is it comes with this. This is fried shallots. Wow. That is like my favorite thing. Good fried onions or shallots that come with any noodle whatsoever. That's like golden. Yeah, I wish the resource I use for music and stuff, I could just type in, send me some generic Taiwanese music. It's like, it ain't happening. There is nothing like that. There we go. Hey. Well, this one seemed to do semi-well. Oh, yeah? Is that a satisfying sit, my dear? Are you happy to be sitting? She just plops down on the ground. She's like, oh, we need these. I do not want to forget the crisp shallot. Wow. like that. Yeah. Black sesame seed? Maybe. I don't know. Maybe just a little bit of chili flake, pepper flake. I think that's good. I don't think it really needs much of anything else that I can think of. Yeah. Calling that a day. I could do some streaking of chili oil, but I don't think it'd make it like better. It's quite good as it is. So yeah. Cool. Let's do it. All right, well, that's my Tuesday all wrapped up and tied with a bow. Yeah, this is amazing stuff. I have no idea where you would find it in the US or North America, but you can find this in Taiwan, especially if you go down the freezer aisle. Look for PLN Foods Company Limited at your local large grocer. And hey, this has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Don't go changing. Bye-bye.